Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming whether the problem is the Wi-Fi or the internet. Run a speed test on a wired device and record Mbps and latency numbers. If wired speeds are good, the Wi-Fi is the issue. Reboot your modem and router by unplugging power for 30 seconds and then plugging back in. Count connected devices and remove unused ones. Too many devices slow throughput. Move a laptop within 10 to 30 feet of the router to check signal drop. Next, adjust router settings to reduce interference and prioritize traffic. Try both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to match device range and speed. Set the wireless channel to 1, 6, or 11 and use a 20 MHz width in crowded apartment networks. Enable Co-S and prioritize video or conferencing traffic when needed. Create a separate guest network for visitors to limit device load. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for faster domain lookups. If settings fail, consider hardware upgrades to eliminate dead zones. Replace an old router with an AC 1200 or AX 3000 model for better throughput and capacity. Deploy a mesh Wi-Fi system or an extender to cover distant rooms effectively. Prefer Ethernet or powerline adapters for backhaul to avoid wireless congestion. Swap any older Cat5 cables for Cat5e to support higher speeds. Finally, perform a factory reset and firmware update. Then contact your ISP if modems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.